This is how breeding betta fish that you need to know. These fish are easy to care for, but they are not especially long-lived, with an average lifespan of about 2 years. Pairs of 7 or 8 months old are best for breeding. They need a relatively shallow spawning tank, about 8 in, 20 centimeters, deep. It must be covered and include floating plants, among which the male will build a bubble nest. Thai breeders often add the leaves of the kitapang, or Indian almond tree, Terminalia catapa, to assist with the conditioning of the water. These leaves are available in the West through specialist suppliers. Raising the water temperature can trigger spawning, as can increasing the amount of live food in the diet. Check that the female is in breeding condition, because otherwise the male may harass her. Aside from her slightly swollen belly, one of the surest indicators of the female's readiness to spawn is when she develops yellowish stripes on her body. She will actively seek out the male at this. It is the responsibility of the male Siamese fighting fish to construct a bubble nest. Spawning occurs nearby, with the pair wrapping around one another. The female will then float upside down, as though stunned, while the male collects the 15 or so eggs in its mouth and carries them to the bubble nest. Mating resumes once he has gathered all the eggs. This sequence is repeated until some 500 eggs have been produced, with the entire process lasting about 2 hours. It is then best to remove the female while the male guards the nest. Otherwise he may attack her. If the tank is very large and well planted, however, it may be safe for her to stay put. Hatching occurs 48 hours after mating, and the young fry are free swimming within a further 4 days. Rear them on fry foods at first, and gently circulate the water within their stomach to convey food particles to them. Powdered flake and brine shrimp can be provided as they grow. The large number of fry means that gentle filtration is needed to maintain water quality, and partial water changes are required every 3 days. Once the male's in, the brood can be identified, usually at about 2 months of age. They should be moved to individual accommodation to prevent fighting. Prior to this, keep the aquarium covered to keep the young fish from becoming chilled, since this will impair the development of their labyrinth organs. If you want to learn more about betta care, click the link in the description below. https://www.joebelcroycenter.com/betta-fish-care, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest, and don't forget to subscribe.